Welcome to the new age. It's time to talk about. This is your boy Datwan. This is
LJ, like father, like
son. And it's time to talk about something that's near and dear to our hearts. The IRS and them always in our pockets. So, I'm about to read to you an objective, straight down the line view on the proposed tax plan and what's being initiated from the IRS and the Biden administration. Let's get to it. IRS proposal will see banks report yearly total flows over $600 from accounts to combat tax evasion. A proposal by the Biden administration to increase tax enforcement and combat tax evasion will see banks report to the IRS total inflows from banks' accounts each year that are over $600. According to the fact checkers, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen estimates that over the next decade, around $7 trillion will be lost to tax evasion. Okay, what you need to know. Lawmakers and others are mischaracterizing the proposal as an attempt to allow the IRS to view all transactions over $600. The IRS would have access to two new numbers, which are the total gross inflows and gross outflows for the whole year, according to a senior tax legal expert. The proposal is still being negotiated, according to Bloomberg. Now, this is a tweet from Wall Street Journal Markets, May 20th. It says, the Biden administration says its tax enforcement plan, doubling IRS staffing and getting a better look at cryptocurrency transactions will generate $700 billion over the next decade. Does that ease your pain? Does that justify what they're trying to do? Because if you look at from the picture that they're trying to paint, it says they're just trying to fight tax evasion, which can be a $7 trillion problem.
Well, then they need to start with the Pandora Papers if they want to do that. They don't got to go attack the little man if they want to address tax invasions. This is the last place they should be starting.
Right. It's funny that it happens over and over, and it's like we're blind to it.
Right.
Who's using Cash App? Is Fortune 500 companies, is the elites really using Cash App?
So, the better question is, or to add to that question is, who gets away with tax evasion?
Right.
Is it the smaller companies or is it the Fortune 500 companies?
Right, exactly. Small businesses use Cash App. We a small business. We use Cash App from time to time. You won't see a company on Wall Street using Cash App. This is another squeeze on the middle class, another squeeze on small businesses and regular taxpayers in my eyes.
I agree. The pandemic hit last year and a lot of small business was drastically affected.
Right.
I think that the IRS is going for the juggler in an attempt to allegedly wipe out the middle class and the small business, continuing to play the game of monopolizing industries.
Yeah. And again, why are they worried about $600? The Pandora Papers leak, and is this tax plan, is this administration focused on what the elites have been doing over and over and over again, or is they just in cahoots with it? And it's year after year. It doesn't matter which president it is, the elites keep getting away with tax evasion, and then they point the finger at the regular $600 man. When you got trillions and billions and millions of dollars that's getting funneled in these tax havens.
Trump said billions and billions and billions.
So again, this was a quick topic that we wanted to throw to you. I'm curious to know your perspective on this. Is the administration trying to fight tax evasion, or is the administration tightening its grips on the middle class and regular taxpayers with this specific plan?
I got a quick question.
Okay.
Where does the tax dollars go? Because if we're being taxed through our paychecks, federal, state, FICA, etc., right? And then we go to the grocery store or the corner store or whatever store, we find that we get another tax on the products that we need, right? Then when we go to purchase vehicles and homes, etc., there's another state tax to those things. So money is steady being taken from the consumer. Who's holding the accounting books? Because we, the people, need to see the books.
We need to see the books. Open the books up. On that note, I'm out, I'm in. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let us get your thoughts in the comments. This is The New Age.